In this video, you'll learn how to disable the auto blocker feature on your Samsung phone. Designed to enhance security, the auto blocker protects your device by preventing unauthorized apps and potentially harmful activities. While this feature is great for keeping your phone safe, there may be a time that you have to switch it off. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's see how to disable it. First, load the Settings app. Once inside, scroll through the options until you come across Security and Privacy. Select it. Navigate until you uncover the auto blocker feature within the Settings menu. Select it to access its configuration panel. Within this interface, you will observe an array of functionalities linked to the auto blocker mechanism. You are presented with two alternatives. Either deactivate individual functionalities selectively or entirely disable the auto blocker system in its entirety. Should you wish to retain control over specific functionalities without entirely disabling all settings, consider selectively deactivating individual toggles. For instance, you could switch off options like messaging app protections or the restriction on software updates via USB cable. By doing so, you can curate which safeguards stay operational, enabling a tailored balance between functionality and security. To entirely deactivate the auto blocker functionality, direct your attention to the primary toggle situated at the top of this screen. Flip the switch to the off position. Subsequently, a dialog box will emerge, seeking your confirmation. Select Turn Off to affirm your choice, and with that single action, you will have effectively disabled the auto blocker feature on your Samsung device. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.